Charlotte, show Riley. Show Riley. Put in the green square. Charlotte, be nice. Be nice, Charlotte. Share. Dad, you're older. You have to share. Oh my God. Charlotte, you share.
Riley, is that funny?
Good job, Charlotte. Good job. Show Riley. Yeah, show Riley. Yeah. Show her where to put the blue circle. Riley, you're having so much fun, huh? Riley, put the blue circle in there. All she cares about is sucking on it. Good job, Riley.
Yeah, Riley.
Yeah, good job. Show me, Charlotte. Show me. Show me, how do you do that? Charlotte, show Riley. Oh, share.
Can you teach Riley?
Like the only side.
All up in Charlotte's business, and Charlotte's like, no.
Charlotte.